Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you a quick, easy way of doing your blush and your lips. Very simple. It doesn't take you long to do it, and you're going to go, why are we using these products to create this? Because it's good, girl, and you need to learn how to do it. So come on and let's try it out. The first thing we're going to do is blush, but I'm not really actually using blush, but we're going to use something else in place of blush to create the blush. Does that make sense? Simple and easy. Now you're going to look at this and go, whoa, girl, that's some color. And it is. It is some color, but it's absolutely beautiful when you blend it out. So I'm going to use this color here. This is called Wealthy, I believe. Yes, Wealthy. And it's by Younique. And it is this color here. Now, I've never used this on my lips. This is pretty much brand new. I've had it for a while, but you know, I got to looking at it and going, I think that I could use this as a blush. I saw somebody else do that. The lady that owns the RMS Beauty. This was one of her top tricks that she did in the day, she said. And it is very pretty. Now it's going to blend out. It's going to look really, really red at first. It's going to blend out. And I am going to use the BK Beauty brush right here. I think this is 106. 106. I like it because it's got the little flat, you know, it's kind of dense, but it's flat on top. And I do like the way it blends out blush. So we're going to see if it blends this out as well too. So basically, your face is going to be different from mine. I have a heart-shaped face. You can see that. And what I'm going to do is, this is where mine should be here, right in this area. My blush needs to stay. No, you don't want to come past this. So I'm going to put like 2 dots in that area. So I'm going to come down and put, let me make sure I get the tip of it. We're going to put a dot here and here. Now, if we need to come back, we can always come back. Okay, and add a little more. Same thing on this side. Go ahead and look at it and get it dot, dot. Okay, ta-da, we're dotted up. That does not quite look like red on my skin, does it? Now, this is going to be beautiful when it blends out. You're going to go, oh, why haven't I done this before? And maybe you have, and maybe you forgot about this trick. I did not believe it. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, how did I miss this? It turns pink. It's really pretty. It is. It's really pretty. And now you got to do this side. How easy is that? Now, if you want to use it on your lips, you can. I'm not a red lipstick kind of girl. Just not. I don't know why. My mom liked it. You know, she looked good on her. She had really dark hair. Totally different skin color from me. But I just think that is absolutely gorgeous. Now, you absolutely can come back and add a little more if you want to. If you want to build upon it, you could do that as well. If I wanted to, I might just put one more, like right up here and right here, just so I can kind of blend it up into my temple. Now, I do like that. You can take this little bitty tiny bit, blush it up, push it up, and then come right through here with it. And that way, you'll have a little bit of color up on your forehead. Now, I do have bangs, so, you know, you're not going to see it on that side, but this side you will. Come up. Just kind of make the letter C, basically. That's what you're doing. And then bounce across your face, too. My hair's all in my eyes. Look at this hair. Oh, I don't know what to do with my hair anymore. It is just awful, and I'm getting off tangent, I know. But something got to be done very soon. It's so baby fine, and COVID just ruined it. And I have got to do something to this hair. Either it's cut it off or buy a wig. I don't know which one I'm going to do, because I don't like short hair either. So this is a good length. It's just too baby fine here. You can just see through it. See that? Help me, girls. Help me figure that out. If you have anything that you can, you know, throw my way as to something that I can do to help my hair, then shoot it to me. Put it in the comments, because I would really love to know. All right, so next thing is going to be lips. And I'm just going to play around with lips. This is such a pretty thing here. Now, I am going to come back and I'm going to highlight a little bit. But I'm going to wait till I get start the lip here, and then I'll highlight up here as well. Before we do the lips, I'm going to do just a little bit of bronzer. I need to warm my face up a little bit. So I'm going to be using NYX. I love this stuff. This is called All Buttered Up. It's really pretty, and I'm just going to use this little brush here, this curved brush. It's BK Beauty 109. take the end of this is clean brush, tap it down in here, tap it off, and then we're just going to add a little warmth to our face through this area here, down my nose, right in the center of my nose. And I think I'm going to take it up on my forehead just a little bit. I know I have bangs, but still, you can come up here and make sure you get it up into your hairline just to give you a little warmth, girl. Yeah, we need that sometimes in our skin. As we age, everything changes. You know that. And goodness gracious, I've changed so much in the last 2 years. I think taking care of mom and all, there was a lot of stress. And I still kind of sort of have a lot of stress. I really have got to come to terms with what I want to do since I've been, you know, 62 all of what, about a week or so. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to do at 62. Do I want to go ahead and stop working? Do I want to continue working? I love doing this. This is one of my favorite things to do. I love sharing things with you. I do, honestly. Now, I'm going to grab a lip liner here. Now, I've already prepped my lips. You can do, like I did a Hottie lip plumper is what I did. And I love it. It plumps it up. Makes them very moist and easy. So when you go to put on your lip liner, it will glide on a little bit easier. Now I'm going to use Maybelline's Gone Gris 104. I love it. It's a beautiful color. And it is retractable, so you do not have to sharpen these. Little tiny. I like that micro. Now think about your lips. Let me look. Look how mine are now. See, I have these little things over here called little jowls. And that's from smiling a lot, right? But what I want to do is not go all the way to the corners. We want to kind of start down in this area first. Same thing with the top. So I have a good bottom lip, but not a great top lip. So I always start down here. I don't go to the corner all the way. Just bring it underneath and back. Like that. Gives you a good bottom lip. Now at the top, I pretty much will start a little bit further down and just kind of round it up. Now, I do not keep my Cupid's bow. I do not have enough bigger lip, so I want to create the illusion of a bigger lip right here. And don't bring it all the way down into the corners. What it does is if you do that, it draws it downward, and you don't want that. You want it to be happy. So I'm going to fill this in right up here. I'm going to fill this in right here. Same thing here and same thing here. Just kind of fill it in and fill this in across your lip. And that will definitely give you the illusion of having a bigger lip. Now, we're also going to put a little bit of light there too, so don't worry. We're going to do a couple other thingies. And here's where I like to kind of come to this part. And you notice I didn't put anything in the center. That's because I'm going to put some lipstick there, which is my signature all-time favorite color, Minted, that Younique has. I absolutely adore and love this color because it is a baby pink. And it looks so pretty paired with this Gone Gris. Put it right here in the center. If you've watched me long enough, you know that this is my favorite. And so probably in the next few weeks, every week, I'm going to try to do a different lip for you, a different combo. Because, you know, the weather's changing. It is October here now. It's beautiful outside today. There you go. Now, listen, how do you set this? Well, the one thing I would use, you could use, I hate this, but I dropped this. This is Younique's Golden Highlighter. And it dropped. I picked it back up and put what was left back in it, and it still works. Hey, can't do nothing with that. It's very, very pretty and light, and it's kind of molten. It's not real powdery, so that's the reason you see it back in here, because otherwise, if it was a powder, I would have thrown it away, because I would not have been able to use it correctly, and it would have gone everywhere, and just it would have made my life miserable. So we are going to take like the end of this, and we're just going to swipe it across right here. And we're going to come back, and we're going to put a little bit of shine right there in that top lip. Remember now, light brings things forward. You already can see the difference. Same thing down here. Just put a little under here. Not a lot. A little under there. And then what I would say do is maybe come across here with some. Come down your nose with it. Here and here. Just so you have a little bit of shine throughout, you know, the center of your face. So That's such a pretty color. Now, guess what we're going to do? We're going to add some lip gloss over this. I have two colors that I was teeter-tottering between, and I think I know which one I want to use. Now, one of these you're going to go, whoo, girl, that is some color, but when you put it on, it's really not. It's really pretty. This one is called Legendary. Now, beautiful kind of mauve rose color. This one is definitely looking purple. But when you put it on, this one's called, I mean, Lighthearted. Is that it? Yeah. Lighthearted, and this one is called Legendary. So these are the two colors that I'm teeter-tottering between. I feel like I want to use this one because this one will scare you. And so I don't want it to let it scare you, okay? Because this is really a pretty color. It's not as bright as you can see. Yes, it does look like purple, but when you put it on, it's really a soft color. So I'm just going to do it right in the center. Not much. Just kind of go across it like that. And look how pretty that is. You thought it was going to be this color, didn't you? Yeah. Well, it's absolutely gorgeous. Feels wonderful on the lips. And I don't give it enough credit, and I probably have never shared it here before with you, but I do love it. It's such a pretty color. Look at that. I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face, and we'll be back to see the finished look. Okay, girls, look. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. At 62, you have to simplify whatever you do, and less is more sometimes. So this is the perfect hint of color on your cheeks. I just love it. And the fact that it's lipstick, it just amazes me as well. But this is a lipstick that we use, and it's called Wealthy, and it is by Younique. Now, I will list all the Younique products down in the description box, so if you want to go grab those, you can, or use what you have. If you have something that's close to this color, I don't know if I'd call that a tomato red, but it is a very bright red, and I love it. And when we blended it out, it gave us this beautiful pink hue. Just awesomeness. I love it. And we also used Minted. We used Minted as well on the center of our lips down here. And we did use Gone Grease. This is Maybelline's wonderful lip liner, 104. Love it. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I got this one. And we also use Younique's Lighthearted. And I know that scared you, didn't it? That looks like purple, but look, that's the shiny you see on my lips. So it really shears out just beautiful. It's not going to look purple on your lips. So don't get scared about that, okay? And we also used this NYX product. Don't forget that. I'll link that too. That's just for the bronzer. I just absolutely love it. I did finish out with my Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. Love this stuff. If you've watched me anytime, you know that I always finish my face with this. And that's the shine you see on here. I didn't want to have to add any more powder. So this is the reason I use this, so I'm not powdering up my face anymore. You know, less is more. And this actually sets it and gives you that beautiful shine payoff. And so there you go, girlfriends. Love it. I hope you do. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. And if there's something you would love for me to touch on for you to help you out, just say yes, I need some help in the comments. And I will see y'all next week. Y'all have a great weekend. See you later.